What our National Secretary tweeted today is what they have done in West Bengal is the Election Commission of India has sent in role observers. So one such role observer is a person called Mr. Murugan, who I believe is a bit quick gun Murugan, but he has come in as Deputy Chairperson of the Tea Board of India. So Mr. Quick Gun Murugan has made a WhatsApp group with the MOs, which are the micro observers. Now all of you are aware that as of the 9th of February, the Supreme Court made it very clear that a micro observer is a non-statutory position and a micro observer's only role, only job is to assist an ERO or an AERO. A micro observer has no further business deciding whether a voter should be on the roll or not be on the roll. That is the sole work of the ERO or the AERO. In spite of those directions, what these role observers have done is they have created special WhatsApp groups in which there is no ERO, no AERO present. Only these central government employees such as postal employees, bank employees who are MOs are part of this group. Please see this. This is Quick Gun Murugan's WhatsApp message. Somebody is asking, sir, if a person is living in a panchayat area, who will be the issuing of the birth certificate? Now this is a very stupid question because anybody who is from a rural area obviously knows it is a panchayat. But you can see how ill-equipped the MOs are. The MO himself has no idea that the issuing person is a panchayat. Most people here, we all know it's a panchayat. Most people will know. He has asked a question. Please see the clarification. Boss, don't raise irrelevant queries. Please check the cases only based on 13 documents. Birth certificate issued by Panchayat Pradhan is not acceptable. And now, can you imagine an RO is saying this when the law says very clearly, so a Panchayat is the issuing authority for a birth certificate of anyone born in the Panchayat. Then we raised a fuss, they have issued a clarification. What has Mr. Quick Gun Murugan issued in this thing? That within 30 days of birth, the Pradhan can do it or the Panchayat can do it. If it is more than 30 days, an executive magistrate has to do it. Even then he is wrong because I am holding the law. It says if it's more than 30 days, the order of an executive magistrate is needed, but the issuing authority is still a Gram Panchayat. So it is blind leading the blind. The MO is blind because they have no idea, they don't work in these areas. He is coming from a bank or a post office, and the role observer is purposely blind because he wants to deprive people of their voting right. We are naming you. Quick Gun Murugan, this is what he's done. It is absolutely shameful. And we are asking the ECI, you are always suspending 7 officers from Bengal without a show cause. 14th you gave the report, 15th without a show cause they were suspended. We are demanding you suspend Quick Gun Murugan, send him back to Tea Board Intelligence.
Right now.
Right now.